Hi, super followers and subscribers. Ever wondered if you could make science literally delicious? Today, we're exploring the incredible world of holographic chocolate science. It all starts with this special silicone mold. When light hits its surface, it creates a stunning rainbow effect. This is called diffraction, where light waves bend and scatter into a full spectrum of colors. It's a fantastic, hands-on way to introduce optics in a memorable way. Imagine the kids predicting how light will behave, observing the patterns, and recording their findings, all while learning about color theory and physics. And here's the best part. After all that amazing science, you get to create edible holograms. Just pour in melted chocolate, let it set, and when you pop it out, the surface shimmers with a rainbow gleam. It's real physics you can eat. This turns a complex topic into an unforgettable, tasty experience that truly sparks curiosity. If you love bringing wonder and hands-on learning into your lessons, you have to try this. You can find this holographic mold in our shop. Link in the bio and description. Enjoy.